So right now, Dr. Jameson is gonna make us a wonderful salad dressing for our salad. I'm gonna help her out by husking some corn, and Sam's gonna make us a celebratory mocktail. All right?
So we are just about ready to put together our chicken taco salad. I have already sliced or grilled chicken breast, and it's all ready to go be assembled. I started putting together the ingredients for the dressing. I have here 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. Then we have a little bit of pepper and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to whisk this together.
Sam, you guys have a dressing as well that you like to use.
Yeah, we actually, in a cooking show like this one, we made a strawberry vinaigrette.
Ooh.
And you know, we made it with the fresh strawberries, very little sugar. You know, the thing about actually going to the store and purchasing like already pre-made, it's packed with sugar.
Yeah.
And so we made it on our own. I think it was just like maybe a tablespoon of sugar for the entire container.
Oh, wow.
And the strawberries and lime juice took care of the rest. It was amazing.
I
You can
love that.
see how lovely, creamy, and thick this dressing is with just a little whisk. So we're going to just pour.
I love that. And to your point about the sugar, Sam, it's also packed with additives.
Oh yeah.
So we can't forget those. Those will mess our patients up every time. So back to what we said, reading the labels, guys, it's so important. And it's your easiest way to ensure that you're eating what you're supposed to is checking the label.
All right, so our salad is looking lovely. This in itself can be a salad without the greens.
That's beautiful.
It's
Yeah.
so pretty, Dr. Jameson.
It is lovely. And don't be afraid to get your hand in it. This is a tossed salad. My hands are clean, and I want to make sure I mix this lovely arugula lettuce with this. This is cilantro.
I love cilantro, man. That stuff. I always put like an extra serving in mine.
It's 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. And the dressing is getting coated on the arugula. You don't want it too heavy because arugula is a very fine lettuce and it'll get limp. So I've lost some of my vegetables on the bottom, so I have to get it back up to the top. And then I'm going to sprinkle, to finish it off, I'm going to sprinkle the corn chips. Beautiful color. It's a lovely fall salad.
Yes, and it just gives you a little extra texture.